Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel here. I have a short video about sprouting the bird seed. This is canary food, and I had it up to here. I've been feeding it to them. You cut a soda bottle, discard the middle part of the bottle, and poke holes in the cap. Rinse water through it 4 times a day. Let it drain into the sink. And I put it here. And after 4 or 5 days, well, no, it's only been about 3 days. See, it starts to sprout. And that is healthy for them, and they absolutely love it. I'm going to let these guys go a little bit more, maybe 2 more days, and then I'll start a fresh batch. But it's good for them, and they absolutely love it. Make your own little canary seed sprouts. Just thought I'd share this with you. Have a great day.